In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get graph paper in OneNote. This is a simple yet incredibly useful feature that can help you create more structured and visually organized notes. Whether you're solving equations, sketching layouts, or just prefer a more guided writing space, using a grid background can make your work much clearer and easier to manage. The best part is that this feature is already built into OneNote, so there's no need to download anything extra. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the notebook where you want to work. From there, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to apply the graph paper effect. If you don't have a page ready yet, you can quickly create one by selecting the option to add a new page. Once you're on the correct page, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. From the menu bar, click on the View tab. This section controls how your page appears and gives you access to layout-related tools. Inside this tab, you'll find options that allow you to adjust the background of your page, making it easier to format your notes according to your needs. Next, locate the option labeled Rule Lines. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying several line and grid styles that you can apply to your page. This is where you can transform your blank page into graph paper. Scroll through the available options until you see the grid patterns. These represent the graph paper styles. You'll typically find variations such as small, medium, and large grids. Choose the one that best suits your task. For example, smaller grids work well for detailed drawings, while larger grids may be better for general note-taking. As soon as you select a grid style, the page will automatically update. You'll now see a graph paper layout applied in the background, ready for you to use. You can immediately begin writing, drawing, or organizing your content with better precision. If at any point you decide you no longer need the grid, simply return to the Rule Lines menu and select the option labeled None. This will remove the grid and bring your page back to a clean, blank state. If you find yourself using graph paper often, consider setting it as a default template. This way, every new page you create will already have the grid applied, saving you time and keeping your workflow consistent. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add graph paper in OneNote quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.